Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. The Blue Continental drink is on the menu today. Alright, for this drink, we will need blue curacao. Pineapple orange juice or an orange juice will be fine. Cran apple, you need a cranberry juice, but I like mine a little bit sweeter, so I use cran apple. And the star of the show, darling, Hennessy. So you know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. So here we go, here we go. All right, now, put a little ice in here. Not enough to dilute the drink, but enough to make it cold. Okay, so you want to make it cold. All right, now what you want to do is you want to put equal amounts of Hennessy and orange liqueur and just a little bit of the cranberry juice and the pineapple juice. So here, I'm going to go with 2 ounces of Hennessy. All right, and you can use another orange liqueur if you want to, so it's up to you. So I'm going to go with 2 ounces of Hennessy, all right, and 2 ounces of blue curacao. Blue curacao. All right, 2 ounces of that. Now, what I need is about 1 ounce of orange juice and 1 ounce of the cranberry juice. I'm going to put a half, like eyeball it, like a half a scoop. So a half a scoop of that. And about a half a scoop of the cranberry juice. So, all right, let's give it a shake. A little shake here. Shake, 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 shake. All right, you don't necessarily have to shake it up and down, but you just want to shake it to get it incorporated. All right, so let's get this nicely incorporated. So in other words, mixed really well. All right, so that's really cold with that ice in there. So I'm gonna get a cup to put it in. This thing is a little bit slippery. This is cold, so you can see the condensation on the outside of it. It's a little cold, so it's hard for me to get it open, but all right, so it comes out this greenish blue color. But it tastes good. It tastes so good. So it's a Blue Continental for me. I'm telling you, you will love it. So the thing is, I'm going to show you what it looks like in this cup. But I'm going to show you what it looks like in a drink pouch too, an adult drink pouch. So thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.